Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to our short week this week. Couple things for remote students that I wanted to let you know. So you're looking at my your Google Classroom. This is first hour open, but they're all pretty much the same at this point. So I wanted to show you a couple things. If you go to classwork, remember in the general class information here, there's the lesson plan. So please check here for the lesson plans. If I update something, change something, if we have to adjust something, I change it on here and you can see it live. So always go to this to know what we're doing and what you need to work on. So this tells you everything that's coming up, when things are due, where you should be, what you should be working on. Okay. And then back to our classroom. If I go down, we're in chapter 1 now. I just want to show you that I posted everything for 1.2. So if you open this, there's a note sheet, the notes and examples we did in class, all the practice sheets, and the keys. So that's up there for 1.2, and I'll be working on getting 1.3 up there, subtraction, hopefully today before I leave. What else? Oh yes, remote students. So each week you've probably been hearing from your teachers that we need to have communication, we have to communicate at least twice throughout the week. So we're going to do one with a Google form back and forth, where I ask you some questions and you respond to the Google form, and that's going to be due by Thursday morning. So you can work on it let's say Thursday at lunchtime, and I'll post it to you in Google Classroom, and I'll put the due date there so you can get to it, and or I might email it. I'll email it to you. I'll email you the link, and then you'll have to do that Google form before Thursday morning. And then we'll also have a meeting on Friday. So our Friday meeting will be at 9 a.m. for all remote students. Friday, I'll send you a Zoom invitation so that we can all get on at the same time and just touch base. And I'll be taking attendance at those meetings. So those are mandatory, Friday at 9 a.m. And the last thing, quizzes. When you take a quiz online at home, whether it's in Elluminate or like the way we did it the last time with just filling in a Google Doc with your answers, please make sure you write your answers down on paper too. So have a nice piece of paper, get out a regular piece of paper and title it, such and such a quiz on this date, and show your work and your answers on a piece of paper. So you always have that to go back to, or if you can print it, you could print the worksheet if you have access to that too. Just so you have it saved, and when we go over or give the answers back to you or you get your score, you know what you got. And then the final thing, retakes. I think I mentioned this before. Everything you need for retakes are here in the correction sheet for retakes and all the information. I made a video to help you answer any questions. I put kind of bullet points of what you need to know and the correction sheet there for you. So if you're thinking about retakes or corrections, look here for everything. Okay? All right. As always, please email me if there's anything I can help you with. Just put remote, like in capital letters, in the email subject line so I know that you're remote, and I'll try to get back to you as you're working on things at home. All right, have a great week.